to add fingerprint into the Samsung A07. Open the settings for the first, and now you have to go below. So keep scrolling and you have to go for lock screen. Now go for the screen lock and the biometrics. Input your current screen lock. And over here you have to go for the fingerprints. Now click to continue. And now we have to place our finger on the sensor, then lift it off. So just like this, put it here and lift when you see the change in the percentage. You have to make sure that you are going to scan fully your finger. So bottom part, top part, you can also swipe like this, up and down, or left and the right, or you can lift and put it back. If you have some problems with scanning your finger, you can use your second finger. It's really working. Take a look. There we go. Almost finished. Now we can add another one if we want. Click done. And now take a look. I'm able to actually unlock my phone by using this one. Yeah, just like this, but also by using this one. And that's all for that video.